Hello guys, welcome to Hack to Tech channel. Today I am going to show you the 10 best websites for front-end developers where you can learn front-end and as well as little bit back-end. These websites give you beginner to advanced course with very easy way as well as you can do practically on websites. We're gonna see this is our first website developer.mozilla.org. Is a very old website and it provides various resources about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, they are uploading every day or every moment the new updates like recent contributes, latest news about what happening in the web industry. Like we're gonna see like CSS, like you can learn from the beginning what is CSS, how can you use like CSS layouts, flags, grids. They give you every detail and you can learn very easily. They're providing a very easy method how you can learn, and they give you videos as well so you can understand by visually as well. Our second website is w3school.com. This is very old and the most famous website. You can see here is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as you can learn programming in Python, Java, C, and many. Here if you are beginner, it's very good to learn HTML tutorials from the scratch. Is try by yourself. You can see there are some options you can try. As I'm gonna click on the try it yourself, it's gonna give you it redirect to you to another tab where you can use this code or you can edit this code and you can run it. Number 3, W3 resource. On this website you can learn HTML, CSS, and many backend, frontend, database, or many things. If you are a beginner, it's good for you. You can learn so many things and everything is provided in the details with the references. Very basic and it's in just a normal form. You can see last update, CSS links, javascript.info. This is a very friendly and very easy to use. It's just for JavaScript. You can learn from the scratch to advanced. There's so many articles which provide you every information about the JavaScript, like code quality, object as DOM as well, error handling. It's very easy. For example, we use the hello world, and here you are not only going to just read it, you can play it and you can use the code how it's gonna work. Like hello world, it's gonna be pop-up view. Number 450 is htmlreference.io. This is a perfect for learning the HTML about the like its elements, about what kind of elements like experimental, self-closing, inline, meta, block. Here you can see like a break tag is a self-closing. You don't need to close this break tag with putting another BR tag. like inline tag, it's a experimental tag, as well as you can click on the tags and you can see how you're gonna use this embed code. There's so many, and search here. Here you can see what kind of properties you can use inside, like source type. You can use them here. You can see the properties which you are gonna use in embed tag. Number 6 is cssreference.io. This is the same like html reference.io. Here you can see it gives you detail about kind of these elements you're gonna use, like it's animation, this for flexbox, like we're gonna use animation delay. Here you can see it gives every kind of properties, animation delay in seconds, ms, like in minus and 0 second, and you can place animation and you can see what happening if you put these properties. Very good to learn from here our CSS practically, and you can learn how this code is working. Number 7 is CSS tricks. This is very amazing website. I'm personally using this one and I learned so many things from here. This is very amazing website. I personally recommend this one. I use it personally. Here you can learn so many things here. It's amazing. You can like articles. You can see videos, newsletters, guides. Here you can see 7740 articles, and this here you can see single element, different way. This is, they are talking about all about the CSS, how the ways they use are different things. They're doing experiments and some people sharing their how they are gonna use it. Like this one we're gonna try. Like here you can see here a result. And this is happening with the HTML and CSS, how they gonna use this one. You can copy it, you can do your experiments here. Number 8 is freecodecamp.org. This is a certificate website where you can learn and get a certificate. As a beginner, you can learn so many things. Here, first you need to sign in with your Google account or with any account, and then you will see this, where they say like a responsive web designing certification, 300 hours. You can learn in 300 hours. They're gonna give you a material, everything for learning responsive web designing, legal responsive, JavaScript algorithm. They're gonna give you free certificate after when you've done this old certification course. This is also very friendly website, so you should learn it. You can visit here, it's very free. And our 9th website is caniuse.com. This is normally for the developers or for the not for the developers, as for front-end developers. This is a caniuse.com. This is for checking which element or which tag you are gonna use in your code. It's going which browser is gonna be stored on those. Like if I say CSS grid, it give you all kind of browsers, so it shows which browser is supporting. Like Firefox, I use CSS grid layout. Like Firefox version, these versions are not using like 2 to 39 or 40 to 51, but this version is working with this. They are supporting to. Here you can see Internet Explorer is using partially in 10th and 11th version. Here you can test, or you can just type it here and you can search is your element is you wanna use it or not. Number 10 is cssbattle.a, where you can learn from globally people. You can contribute, you can learn from their codes. Here like here you you should use the HTML and CSS for making this code like this. They give you a challenge, so you have to use your code and submit it, and this is like a challenge. Obviously the name is CSS battle, so you will get some challenges of you, and you can learn from others CSS and HTML codes that how they're gonna build with only HTML and CSS. There is a bonus website for you to learn, and you can code as well. This is a codepen.io. It's very good, and you can use on any device, on your mobile and your laptop, anywhere you will go. Just you have to use your account for getting your all code. So here you can write your code HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can see here some options like trending, challenges, or you can follow other people who are who are beginners, or you can see developers. You can follow anyone. Like here, like animation tab, you can open it and you can see that how they build it, like CSS, HTML, JavaScript, which code they're gonna use, and you can do your experiments. That's amazing, actually. Oh, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you learned something new, then please subscribe, like my channel, and support me. Thank you very much.